Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So today we discuss one important topic about the Twitter one. So major one problem is called anybody have the sharing for Twitter post a website to in this option. So how is the posting for your particular option? How is the posting for particular option? In this purpose, we have to use on the particular platform is there. Suppose careful to watch. I am sharing to Twitter one. It will be showing for small thumbnail. I can see showing for small thumbnail. Now we can go for tweet. It will showing for very small thumbnail. So how we can increasing for large thumbnail? We can using for Twitter cards. Suppose if we go into the Twitter option, the option will be Twitter ads. They enabled by Twitter cards here. These are Twitter cards. But some people said I can't enable by Twitter cards. Is not visible my Twitter option. So what we do that time? So what we'll do that time? First of all, copy your Twitter username. This important code will be there. This is the code for Twitter card. This is a particular Twitter card will be code is here. This code purpose, if anybody not eligible by Twitter card, we have to use for in this option. Just username, username, and copy the code, complete the code, which way you can go for, you can log in for cPanel. Just I'm logging for cPanel. Guys, this code is eligible for each and every page and each and every post also. So compulsory the code is available each and every page option. So I'm logging cPanel. Go to file manager, public underscore HTML. Here, where is exact file is there? Common file. There's a header one, edit. We can paste the code. And here will be check. Control U, Control F, Twitter card. So it is there by Twitter card. We can check for each and every page. Control U, Control F. No, it is not available. So that is a major important. So it is not worthable. Copy this code, exit. We can choose another file. So which one is comfortable? We can add it. So in this one, selecting from main header. Select it, refresh. Control F. So it is also not valid. You can check movie news. Control U, Control F. It is not there by here also. So major importance call where you can updating is not update here. Simple we can go for edit. We can go for it. The option will be selecting for edit. Footer of the part. Refresh. Control F. Here is the option. We can add by common file. So why we can selecting common file? Suppose you have the 100 pages, 200 pages. Each and every page adding code will be taking time. So that is the reason we have selecting from common page. So who will design the website? Developer. So when you design developer, we have to create the common file for the all pages. There's a major important for the adding for Twitter card option. If anybody not eligible by Twitter card, we have to activate by yourself. It is by done. Now we have to refresh this one. Check for Control U, Control F. Here is a Twitter card. Now same one, copy. We select will be Twitter here. So sometime will be taking time to the showing for large image. So you have to refresh by the particular option. So immediate is not reflected. It will take some time to reflecting by the large image. So it is just everything is done. Click for tweet. Now close. Now we have to refresh. Here is uploading here. Just you have to take the some fraction of seconds or fraction of minutes. It is showing for large image. Immediate reflection will be not done in the particular options. So you can go to videos. The code you have checked for each and every file. There's a very important for the each and every options. So in this, we are posting in this here. Just copy and come into the. You will be little take time to the showing for option. Tweet. I can see. Showing for small, showing for large. Little take time to the showing for large image. Now you can refresh. Large image is a small image. So this is the main purpose we have to using for Twitter cards. Anybody not eligible by Twitter cards, we have using this code for the particular option. This code is valid for the go to my website Rakesh Tech Solutions. The option call is blogs. We can find out the code to update the code on your particular Twitter in your website. So Twitter cards more important. We have shared the content on Twitter with a large image. The main purpose of increase your website traffic and people will get impression and clicks. Follow the instructions and increase the reach and views and your particular revenue also.